Are we alone in the universe? The age-old question still has no clear answer. Although we have seen footage of UFOs in recent times, we still have no idea what they are or where they are from. They could be some type of advanced weaponry created by secret organizations to spy on other countries, but we still have no answers. But with all the stars in the sky and the scale of the universe, how could we think there isn't life beyond Earth? Life itself is made of the most abundant elements in the universe. Do you think that with the most abundant elements in the millions of stars, not one of them could host life? That sounds unlikely. So if there is life, why haven't we made first contact? From this arises more questions. Maybe we are the first. Or what if the aliens destroyed themselves? That last question might mean that there is a limit to any civilization. Could this be true? If it is, how much time do we have? Why does the limit exist? If there is a limit, then it could be due to the various disagreements of what is right or wrong within communities, leading to wars, destruction, and the end of our species. Or maybe the limit is when our advancements in artificial intelligent technologies gets out of hand, destroying the human species. We've seen that before, haven't we? Maybe the limit of civilization is not because of humanity itself, but because of its environment. Earthquakes and tsunamis, maybe an asteroid, just like the one which ended the creatures that stood on Earth 65 million years ago. Or maybe, just maybe, a pandemic, very similar to the one we are experiencing right now, could wipe us off the map for good. What if there is no limit? Well, it is unlikely that there will be no conflict, but maybe if we tried spreading among the stars, the conflict could have less of an impact, which would mean the survival of the fittest and the most sustainable civilization. So what can we do to achieve this? When people say that space travel is a waste of time, that is the depressing point where our species ends. If we do not strive to be multiplanetary, it means we didn't use our full potential. The dinosaurs didn't have a space program, but we do. We get to choose our own fate. The sky is not the limit, the universe is, and it's expanding. We are getting closer to establishing colonies on the moon, Mars, and beyond. Personally, we have a certain level of optimism and excitement in this future. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.